My name is Shivakumar. I'm a company secretary in practice. I'm going to highlight certain things about incorporation of companies, which is prospering in our country. In any case, there are certain regulations in Companies Act and certain guidelines which you need to follow for a smooth flow of incorporating a company. Because nowadays, if you see, there are a lot of practical aspects which come in the way and things get unnecessarily delayed. So I'm going to highlight certain things of incorporating a company. First thing, we can divide this in three phases. First phase would be going for an application which you need to file under form number 1A. You need to give certain names, you need to give a significance, you need to identify your object clause. And then the second phase would be filing the forms and then going for an incorporation. Now the main constitutional documents in this is the Memorandum and Articles of Association. Normally what happens is there is a stereotype or a mechanical job when you have a certain objects, you just do a cut paste job, which is a very risky thing. But we here what we do is we study the needs of the client, we understand their strategy, and then accordingly we draft the main objects. Now there are three main parts in the memorandum. One is your main objects, the other one is incidental, the third one is other objects. Now incidental objects, normally people take it another way, that it's a different business as such. But normally what happens is incidental or ancillary objects, as you call, that is has to be directly, there is a direct nexus between the main objects and the incidental objects. Whatever is there, you need to connect to your main objects so that whatever incidental things are there, you can do it in a very smooth manner. That is main objects and incidental objects. The third thing is other objects. Other objects you have to limit only till 10 or 12 clauses. Earlier people used to give anything under the roof, whatever is there, whether they do it or not, but that used to clash between if you go for a registration, you have n number of queries and unnecessary things get delayed. So ROC also has put the responsibility or the onus on a practicing professional to guide the client for a smooth registration, so that the client also get the registration in a time frame manner. So this is what the second phase is. Third phase is post incorporation. You need to have a board meeting for example, you need to appoint an auditor, which has to be done within a month from your date of incorporation, which people normally they put it in a bottom line. It's down there in the list. So there are statutory registers which you need to purchase. You need to minute the subscription. You need to record your directors and all those things. So this can be divided into first, second, and third phase. So incorporation, in that sense, if you look at it, things would be much easier and can be done in a very faster manner. So thank you very much. That's it.